Federal prosecutors under the Biden administration improperly charged hundreds of January 6 defendants with obstruction, the Supreme Court ruled on Friday, a decision that likely upends hundreds of cases and will lead to vast litigation against the federal government. The case, known as Fischer v. United States, posed a significant threat to the Justice Department's approach to prosecuting individuals involved in the January 6, 2021 U.S. Capitol riot.
These justices are considering letting the insurrectionists who attacked our Capitol building 3 years ago off the hook. Shame!
The case revolved around whether federal prosecutors properly charged hundreds of Jan 6 defendants, including former President Donald Trump, using a law making it a crime to obstruct or impede an official proceeding. Justice Samuel Alito was a major voice of skepticism during oral arguments about the government's broad reading of the statute. Justice Clarence Thomas, during oral arguments, questioned whether the government had used the provision in a similar context before. The Biden administration's lawyers responded by highlighting the consistent application of the law to cases involving threats and acts of violence. The decision also holds a significant implication for Trump, who faces the same obstruction charges in Special Counsel Jack Smith's indictment over an alleged effort to subvert the 2020 election. Although the decision was written by Chief Justice John Roberts and split on a 6-3 vote, it was not split along ideological lines. Justice Amy Coney Barrett, a conservative justice, actually sided with the liberal justices in the dissent, while liberal Justice Ketanji Brown Jackson, the most recent addition to the Supreme Court by President Joe Biden, actually sided with the majority opinion. I'm Kalen Deese for the Washington Examiner.